The DEWALT 5-gallon shop vac is designed to operate quietly, producing noise levels comparable to a casual conversation, which makes it ideal for use in homes, workshops, garages, or cars without disturbing others. It boasts a powerful 4-peak horsepower motor that provides remarkable suction performance, effectively handling both dry debris and liquid spills with ease. Despite its compact and lightweight design, the shop vac features a generous 5-gallon capacity and a durable stainless steel tank, offering both strength and convenience. The vacuum is equipped with a variety of suction nozzles, including a crevice nozzle and a utility nozzle, allowing it to meet diverse cleaning needs from furniture to car interiors. A 10-foot cord and a 7-foot hose extend the cleaning reach, making it easier to tackle tasks in larger areas without frequent unplugging or repositioning. The included accessory storage bag ensures that all attachments are organized and within easy reach, enhancing the overall user experience.